Want to know the best way to remove VBA macro code and password in seconds? If yes, download BitRecover VBA Macro Remover Wizard. It is a 100% secure and easy-to-use application to remove code and password and save macro code separately in text file without any problem. If you want to know more about the software, please watch the video. Tool comes with simple software interface. Now, the user has two modes to browse macro file from the system. Choose from Select File and Select Folder. Here, we choose the Select File mode to browse macro files manually and then click on Open. The software analyzes the chosen file and list in the software panel. User can also check the Select Folder mode to upload a complete VBA files folder from the system and tap on Select Folder button. After this, the software analyzes the chosen folder and lists all the files in the software panel. Now, user need to mark the checkbox of required VBA files. Here you can see the file details, like which file contains VBA code and password. Mark the checkbox if you want to remove VBA code from files. Mark the checkbox if you want to remove VBA password from files. Mark the checkbox if you want to save separate text file each macro code. Click on the Save Document button to choose the destination location of converted files. And conversions start automatically. Once completed, the software provides a complete conversion message. Click on OK button to continue the process. Software open the destination location automatically, and you can see the output files.